To work in a home office can be great, but it needs to be a space that's efficient and looks professional. Hi, my name is Stefan, and in this video I will share with you my DIY renovation of turning our garage into a focused and productive workspace. I'm an architectural designer and wanted to optimize this space for my creative needs. I wanted the space to be clean, simple, and suitable for receiving clients. I also had a very modest budget. After the decision was made to convert half of the garage into my new home office, I immediately modeled the space in SketchUp. Since it is a relatively small space, it was very important to make sure that all the pieces of furniture would fit, and to this extent SketchUp proved to be invaluable. I was considering pieces from IKEA and CB2. It was fortunate that many of their designs were already modeled in 3D and available online. I could just drag and drop elements. SketchUp allowed me to test different configurations and layouts. It made sense to have one long desk along the wall that could accommodate both me and my wife. I decided on wall cabinets to address the problem of storage. This left the floor relatively clean and uncluttered. To visually elevate the space, I provided a feature wall on the opposite side. I always wanted to test faux plants, and this was my opportunity to do just that. For 3 years we used the space as the kids' playroom. It served the family well, but now it was time to claim my half and move all the stuff out of there. I spent one day clearing and prepping the space, and the next 2 days painting the walls and assembling and installing all of the furniture. I painted the walls 2 coats of BEHR carbon. I ended up buying 2 sections of IKEA Countertop with a velvet-like soft touch laminate surface. Although natural wood is much nicer to the touch, even a wood veneer would have been outside my budget. At almost $20 a piece, the Pegboard panels turned out to be a bit expensive. But in their defense, they serve the purpose well, they are multifunctional, and I think a high quality framed print would have been close to $100 each. Before rubbing the pine wall cabinets down with 2 coats of Danish oil, I taped and spray painted a geometric pattern on the door fronts. I wish I bought the spray paint with a more mirror-like finish. Although I have a few dollars left of my modest $1,500 budget, it's just not enough to replace those 2 chairs with something more stylish and more ergonomic. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and thanks for watching.